If you're looking for a new AI software to boost your business, the recently released Octoparse AI could be exactly what you need. But is it the best? Let's dive into the 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding if this is your next game changer. Stick around to the end because I'll give you my honest take and some options you won't want to miss. Plus, you can try Octoparse AI for free from the first link below. Octoparse AI is quickly gaining attention for its ability to scrape data at an incredible scale. Whether you're in e-commerce, marketing, or even research, the AI uses advanced technology to extract information from any website, making data collection as simple as a few clicks. And when I say any website, I mean it. Octoparse is designed to handle complex, dynamic websites, which is a huge deal for marketers and business owners. One of the standout features is the ease of use. For those new to web scraping or AI tools, the interface is highly intuitive. You don't need coding skills to get started, which is a big plus for those without a tech background. The drag and drop functionality is especially useful, allowing you to visually set up and automate your scraping tasks. Even if you're not a coder, you'll be able to automate your processes and scale up your data extraction without much effort. Another thing to note about Octoparse AI is its versatility. This tool isn't just for one type of data scraping. Whether it's text, images, or even product prices, Octoparse AI can capture them all. In fact, you can use it for a wide range of applications like competitor analysis, market research, and price tracking, which is exactly why it's gaining so much popularity in the digital marketing world. If you're not using this type of tool yet, you're leaving money on the table. For those wondering about customization, Octoparse AI excels here too. You can tailor your data scraping according to specific needs, like filtering out irrelevant data or scheduling scraping tasks. This flexibility makes it ideal for businesses with unique requirements. What I like most is that the software allows for data export in various formats. You can directly download it in CSV, Excel, or even through APIs, making integration with other tools seamless. In terms of chaos speed, Octoparse AI doesn't disappoint. Data scraping that used to take hours can now be done in just a few minutes. This means more time for you to focus on analysis and decision making. The software also runs on cloud infrastructure, so you don't have to worry about your local system slowing down during large data extraction tasks. This cloud-based feature allows for scalable automation without overloading your hardware. Now let's talk about pricing. While it offers a free version with limited features, the premium versions unlock its full potential. If you're serious about scraping data at scale, the investment is worth it, considering the time and resources you'll save. Plus, with their detailed tutorials and support team, you'll have all the guidance you need to get the most out of Octoparse AI. But here's where it gets interesting. While Octoparse AI is great for most use cases, it's not perfect. Some users have mentioned that complex websites with lots of JavaScript can sometimes throw errors or require a little more fine-tuning. This isn't a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you work with those types of sites frequently. To wrap it up, Octoparse AI is an incredibly powerful tool for data scraping that's accessible to beginners and valuable for seasoned marketers. It saves time, increases productivity, and opens up a world of data opportunities, making it a must-try for anyone serious about improving their digital marketing efforts. If you're ready to try it out yourself, check out the first link in the description for your free trial. And don't forget, after testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of my recommended AI software in the description for you to try for free. Make sure to check it out.